Welcome to Alan's Baking Show, where nothing terrible happens. I have ingredients. Today we are making some form of chocolate cake, a recipe that a friend of mine sent me. So the friend sent me the recipe. She didn't send me the step-by-step guide, so I'm not actually sure how I'm going to go about this. But I'm assuming that it's going to be something similar to like just mixing everything in a bowl together and then putting it in the oven. So let's just hope for the best. Wait, I'm not sure if this bowl is going to be good enough or big enough for us. So we have half a cup of butter. I'm not sure how big half a cup is, but we can try our best. That's all that any of us can do. Nice. A cup and a quarter sugar. That's actually quite a lot of sugar. Woo! It's just pour. That seems like enough. That seems like too much. Okay. Okay, so next we have 3/4 of a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. I only have instant hot chocolate, so I'm gonna assume that that's okay. Nice. I actually hope this doesn't turn into a mess like the other one does. Because I've heard a lot of comments from the previous Cooking with Alan saying, oh, this is amazing, make another one. So I'm choosing to make another one, as you can see if you're watching it. It being locked down and me being alone, I have some things I want to talk about. Prepare for some deep stuff. I'm also a little bit tipsy, I'm not gonna lie. This is actually looking kind of oily. I'm not sure if this is what I'm trying to achieve. I need to add the flour. So half a cup of flour. Oh yeah. Okay, so we need two large and cold eggs. I keep my eggs in the fridge, so I am expecting these to be fairly cold. Nice. Okay, so in the recipe, you can add things to the cake. I want to add raspberry, because raspberries are pretty cool. White chocolate, because white chocolate is always nice. I actually think that looks pretty good. I'll bring it over. But hey, that, you can't even see it. You can't even, wait. That looks pretty good, am I right? It looks good. You're just gonna have to take my word on that. Now, put it in the good old baking tin. Grease-proof paper. I need that this time. I forgot that the last time. Grease-proof paper applied. So now I can confidently add the mix and nothing is gonna go wrong. Okay, in we go. That looks good, right? Cool. So as the thing's in the oven, I want to just sit back, have a little one-on-one, talk a bit. So the brain stops growing around the age of 25. And after that, it's going to become harder for me to develop new habits. So I'm giving some genuine thought of what kind of person do I want to be by the time I'm 25. And the one thing that keeps on coming across my mind is that I want to be a good person. Now that's kind of vague, but I want to be the kind of person that is a shoulder to cry on. I want to be the person that is able to support and help people through troubling times. I want to be a mentally strong person. Simple enough. But the problem is that over 2020, it's been quite a shit year. It's been a shit year, and I've spent a lot of time focusing on myself and my own mental well-being. And there's absolutely nothing wrong with that, but I really desire to be that mentally strong person that can support others. And I'm just not there yet. And I may not be that person yet, and I can become that person, but I want to become that person before I'm 25 because, yeah, like at the age of 25, the brain stops growing, it'll be harder to develop new habits. I really aspire to be like the kind of person that's like Mr. Rogers, Jesus, Keanu Reeves, even. Like, they're all really cool people, and they always put people first, and they care about people. I'm I'm a bit drunk right now, and I'm talking about the kind of habits that I want to get into. And Mum and Dad, I know that you're watching this. This is not a habitual thing for me. This is a one-off. So I do not get drunk on the regular. I just need. Oh, fuck. What am I even trying to say? But I want to be good. I want to help people. I've got a message. Damn it. Two friends just cancelled on me for a photo shoot. I bet sober Alan is going to have a real fun time editing this together. I'm balding, and I'm not happy about that. I like having hair. In a really shit year, I've hit a few. Oh, the battery in my light just gave out. Shit, where was I? Oh my. Oh, it's burnt. It's always burnt, isn't it? Right, okay. Let's get a plate. Wait. I actually think I'm too drunk for this. Oh shit. Oh, I'm too drunk. I can't do this. I'm throwing in the towel. So it's the morning, and I've remembered that I did not show you the finished product. So here's the finished product right here. It's a little bit burnt, but also it's rock solid.